Moving my body. So normally, because if I don't move my body, I cannot recite it well. That is how we practice move our body. So when I was moving, I'm a bit worried that hat might fall down, but I had to go. So that's the one very good thing. Second thing is that when today I was experienced that really, when I focused totally, I didn't know that how the body connected back to the monastery.
That's awesome.
That's really,
Yeah. Is that why they were blessing?
yeah, that's a SUV. Someone offered to me and I donated back to the monastery and asked them to request them that it should be used over the whole age monks. Because they quite often they have to go to hospital. So that's the thing. And today everything comes all together. No,
You really held quite, focused even with all the distractions. The electricity went out at one time, and there
yeah. Because I didn't know that the electricity went out. I was a bit worried that it might be something wrong when with my setting. I make some mistake. I pressed something, the wrong things. Yeah, so that's why I was a bit worried. And the person staying next to me, he told, no, there is no electricity gone. So I feel that relief. That's also the one small relief. Because I'm a bit worried that I make some mistake and make something wrong with the setting. Yeah.
Is that what you said to the monk next to you?
Yeah. Because I'm trying to fix it, no? So he told, no, that's an electricity man.
움직임. 그래서 담아도 고기하게 고기하셔. 고기가 뭐
Thank you, and very nice. Yeah, that's very very nice. We just met on a very auspicious occasion. Thank you very much. And have a juice. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Drinks. Okay. You had a lunch. And also you had
yarın da bir de mağun yani.